All right, I wanted to show you how to upload a file. You have to, and this is just a private one for you. I'm doing it in another spot, but it's exactly what you need to do to upload your PDF. So you're going to go ahead and go to My Memberships, and you're going to click on Files. And in Files, you're going to go ahead and upload, and then you need to pick your category. In this one, in case it's that. I'm going to upload a file, and where you go to do the, you go wherever you stored your files. This one happens to be here. And it will upload right here. And you go ahead and say next. Your file will upload. And then the place that you get to get to the file is you get this link. You copy this link, and then that link will take you to the page of the file. And that is how you upload PDFs in Kartra.